Imagine the sensation of biting into a crispy, golden crust to reveal a warm, savory filling. The flavor is a symphony of spices, spinach, and cheese, creating a heavenly medley that dances on your tongue. This isn't just any pastry. This is börek, a traditional Turkish dish that is about to become one of your favorite homemade delicacies. With no yeast and no oven required, this recipe takes börek from intimidating to accessible, right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Begin with the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of water in a large bowl. Mix these ingredients until a smooth, pliable dough forms. Then cover it with a clean cloth and let it rest for 20 minutes. While the dough is taking a well-deserved break, shift the attention to the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté until it softens and turns translucent. Follow this with 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook until the aroma fills the air. Next, add 2 cups of washed and chopped spinach. Cook this until it wilts, then mix in 1 cup of crumbled feta cheese and a sprinkle of black pepper. Return to the rested dough. Divide it into 6 equal parts and roll each one out on a floured surface. Aim for a thin, almost transparent layer. Spread a portion of the spinach and cheese filling onto each piece, leaving a small border around the edges. Roll it up tightly, starting from one end, then curl it into a spiral shape. Repeat this with the remaining pieces. Heat a large pan and add enough oil to coat the bottom. Place the börek in the pan and cook on medium heat until the bottom turns golden brown. Flip it over and cook the other side to the same golden perfection. There you have it, a delicious homemade börek that will transport your taste buds to the bustling streets of Istanbul. In summary, the process involves creating a simple dough, preparing a savory spinach and cheese filling, and pan-frying the börek to a beautiful, crispy finish. The key points to remember are to let the dough rest, cook the spinach until it wilts, and fry the börek until it is golden brown on both sides. So don't wait. Bring the magic of Turkish cuisine into your kitchen with this easy and flavorful börek recipe. Bon appétit!